Hello everybody, today is 25th of January 2019 and I wanted to record this video today to let you know about two trades that got closed today. One of them is NRG Energy that you're looking at your screen right now. We initiated this trade a couple of days ago, and today the trade achieved its target over here. Let me just pinpoint that for you. So in this candle actually let us out of the trade with a profit of 2R. So that's the result of this particular trade. And then the second trade that got closed today was Alibaba, and we entered this again. I think we entered it just yesterday, and today when the market opened, it just kind of gapped up and it went above our actual target actually. So this would have been closed as well had it been entered. So this was again a 2R winner. Okay, we are now looking at our tracker worksheet, and I have marked the trades that got closed today. You can see them over here. This one and this one, NRG and Baba, they both got closed today, and they were winners, and we would have made had we entered. Obviously I did not enter this trade, so it would have created as 2% of our risk, or rather 2% of the account, I should say, not the risk. We risked 1% of the account to make 2%. So far we have got 3 winners, making 6% of profit, total profit. So that's where we are. As a reminder, this tracker worksheet is available for viewing. I'm posting the link of this tracker worksheet under every video that I'm creating. So you could actually go in there, click the link and download the tracker and check it out as well. And also I want to let you know that I'm updating this Excel on a regular basis. So whenever I update, I would actually update this date. So today I just updated it. So it just shows that last updated on is today. Okay. That's all for today. And I hope you would have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye now.